Hey everyone, it's Amelia, and today I'd like to show you the final printed copy of the first book in my Author Journey Success Series. Now I'm holding the proof right now, and I just wanted to, two things. I wanted to share in the excitement of opening up my box for the first time with my official printed copies, but I also wanted to explain the importance of ordering a proof, what I found in the proof, and we're also going to take a look at the quality of the printed copies. And I self-published this using KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing, which is an Amazon company, which I used for all my books. So taking a look at this proof, it's really important that once you upload your book, before you click the publish button, to just save it as a draft and then make sure you order proof copies. And in this case, the proof copy does have not for resale all around, including the back. So what you want to check with the proof, of course, to look over the whole entire cover. And in this case, for my series here, this fourth series, I decided to hire a designer. For my technology book series, I laid out all the covers, designed them myself, and used Canva. For my children's books, I laid out all the covers, but my illustrator created the illustration for the front cover. But for this particular series, I decided to hire a designer because I wanted these covers to be the best that they could be. So I'm very happy with the way they turned out. I'm happy with the color, the print, and I decided to go with glossy versus matte. So with the proof, you want to inspect the front, of course, the spine, make sure everything's perfect and even, and then also look at the back cover and decide if you need to make any adjustments. Now, as far as the barcode goes, you might notice there's one over top of the other. Now, this is only for the proof. If you are adding your own barcode, which in this case there was a barcode added, when you order the proof, there's this extra one on top, which looks like it's going to bump into the words, but hopefully in a minute when we open this box, we're going to double check. But this particular one on top is only for the proof copy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box and look inside. And I have to say, I'm happy that it came in a box, because sometimes I have ordered books and they're jam-packed inside of an envelope. So I'm glad, very happy that they came in a box this time. So, ooh, beautiful, beautiful. So just glancing, I'm noticing, the cover is perfect. I didn't make any changes to the cover. And I just want to mention about the proof copy, I only found a few minor issues inside. And when you get your proof, I forgot to mention that inside you want to inspect every page. And you might want to do one more out loud proofreading. I opted for black and white inside just to keep the cost down. It gets a lot more expensive even if you have a few pictures inside to print in color. So because I only had a few minor changes on the inside, a couple tiny typos and things, it wasn't necessary for me to order another proof. But if you make a lot of changes to your proof, you definitely want to order another proof copy before you hit the publish button, and make sure everything is perfect and a-okay before everything is finalized. So let's give a look at the quality here. Now again, this is KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, self-published, and it's print on demand, which means you don't have to order any number of minimum order copies. I like to order, in this case, I ordered 7 copies to kind of go along with my 7 steps. By the way, speaking of putting a number on the cover, I read various times that it's better to use an odd number. I'm not sure why, but just an odd number versus an even number if you have a number in your title or your subtitle. And on the back cover, remember I noticed I mentioned about the barcode. So you could see here that the final barcode is the one that was showing underneath. It's fine. It fits perfectly with the lettering. the verbiage and everything looks fine. So inside you'll want to definitely look over and make sure that everything that you changed, after you got your proof was updated, and give a look, and probably, maybe check every page if possible, but you definitely want to check any changes that you made. So I would say I'm extremely happy with the color. I do like glossy. I tend to go with glossy more than anything. And I want to tell you one more tip. When you go live, if you order several copies, I usually like to order maybe, like 5, 10, maybe a dozen. You could order directly from Amazon. You could order author copies on the back end on KDP. You only have to pay for the printing, but you do have to pay for shipping. However, there's an advantage to, after going live, ordering official copies directly from Amazon. Yes, you do have to pay the full price, but you still get the royalty and it boosts your sales. I do know of several authors that do this. They go live, they may lower the price when they go live. They order, a dozen or so copies, and then they may change the price to the regular price. So that is something you could do to boost your sales. Also, remember, as soon as your book goes live, contact KDP and let them know the additional book categories, because you can have up to 10, even though you only enter 2 categories when you upload your book. You can have up to 10 book categories. That's really, really important with book marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to click like, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.